Hello guys, I have on my table today is iPad Air 4 and it came from a repair shop. Problem is not charging. Okay, so if we plug in the charger, see what happens. See, it's not charging, huh? So now we don't know if it's charging port or something else. So what I will do, should I leave this on here? Because even if it's the charging port, we still have to remove it. So I will remove the LCD now. Okay guys, the screen is removed and I have to remove the board. So I don't want you to keep watching me removing the board. It will take maybe 15-20 minutes. So I will remove the board and I will get back to you. It was a mission to remove it. See how many cables attached, but anyway, that's all done. Do you see? Yeah. Anyway, let's check it now. Okay, the first thing we will be doing is plug in the charger. And check here. What we have. Nothing at all, nothing. Zero. Okay, so it's not gonna charge. Okay, to me it sounds like charging port. It might not be charging port. The other way to check it is, charge the battery and then check it again, but I'm quite sure that's the charging port. Let's check what's the battery voltage is. Yeah, 2.8. It's not gonna turn out on 2.8, so most probably charging port. Let's replace the charging port. Okay. Okay guys, what do you think? Work well done? Alright. I don't know unless we check it if it's charging or not, huh? Okay, let's put this here. Better. And we just checking. First of all, put the LCD, huh? Man, so many cables. So this is 4G version. Okay, finally they are sitting right. I had to move these cables around. Okay. Yep. Charging. Looks like charging. Yep. Okay. You see? Okay. Almost close to 1 amp. So I will leave it here for a few minutes and then we'll see if it's boots up now. Okay, let's check now after 5-10 minutes, and here's charging well. And already charged how much percent? 4%. And that's all good. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next video. Bye.